present simple.
المضارع البسيط.
Affirmative form.
شكل زمن المضارع البسيط في الإثبات. يتكون زمن المضارع البسيط من التصريف الأول للفعل وينقسم إلى
Infinitive.
مصدر الفعل بدون أي إضافات.
Work, go. Example. I go to the club every week. Verb plus s or es.
فعل نضيف له اس.
Works, goes. Example. He goes to the club every week. Negative form.
نفي زمن المضارع البسيط.
Do not, don't, plus infinitive. Don't work, don't go. Example. I don't go to the zoo every week. Does not, doesn't, plus infinitive. Doesn't work, doesn't go. Example. He doesn't go to the zoo every week. Question form.
شكل السؤال في زمن المضارع البسيط.
In asking questions, we use do before you, they, and plural nouns like your friends.
نستخدم do قبل you, they والاسم الجمع مثل your friends.
Example. Do you go to the club every week? In asking questions, we use does before he, she, it, singular nouns like your friend, and uncountable nouns like water.
نستخدم does قبل he, she, it والاسم المفرد مثل your friend والاسم الغير معدود مثل water.
Example. Does he go to the club every week? We use infinitive after I, we, you, they, and plural nouns like my friends. We use verb plus s after he, she, it, singular nouns like my friend, and uncountable nouns like water. Usage of present simple.
استخدام زمن المضارع البسيط.
Regular habit. Example. I get up early every day. I don't get up late. Scientific fact. Example. The sun rises in the morning. It doesn't rise in the evening. fixed timetables such as the timetables of trains and planes. Example: The train to Cairo leaves at 6 a.m. Time words for the present simple: always,
usually,
normally,
often,
often, sometimes, occasionally,
rarely,
seldom, never, every day, once, twice, 3 times, a day, a week. Adding s or es. We add es to the verbs that end with o, ch, sh, ss, and x. Example: go, goes. If the verb ends with y, preceded by a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, we add only s. Example: play, plays. If the verb ends with y, preceded by a consonant, we change y into I, then we add es. Example: try, tries. Other uses of the present simple: after conjunctions such as when, after, before, to express the future instead of will. Example 1. When I travel to London, I will see Big Ben. Example 2. Before I go to the club, I will phone you. After, if, and, unless, in the zero conditional and the first conditional sentences. Example 1. If you put water in the fridge, it freezes. Example 2. Unless you play sports, you will be fat. In indirect speech, if the reporting verb is in the present, or if the speech is about wisdom or fact, even if the reporting verb is in the past. Example: our science teacher told us that water turns into steam when you boil it. With non-action verbs such as verbs of senses, verbs of ownership, and verbs of belief, as following. Example 1. This flower smells nice. Example 2. I want to go out now. Example 3. Ali seems happy today.